Well, one of the challenges when you have a really wide environment where data is just scattered everywhere is just to bring everything together and then try to make a single story and then define strategy from there. So in Photobox, because we have so many different brands in different jurisdictions around Europe and in Australia, it's just been really hard for us to know what's needed for what part of the business, what good looks like in each of them. But we've come a really long way over the last year. And one of the things additional regulatory requirements such as GDPR give businesses like us is that it gives us that requirement to go to the business and say, this isn't just something that I'm saying to you because I think it's the right thing to do. This is something that regulation is also behind us and says you must do this in order to protect our customers, which is nothing that anyone will ever dispute. I would say development and production teams have all become a lot more aware of security requirements, and now they come to us a lot more often as opposed to us going to them. So definitely the culture has shifted. They're realizing that we bring value not just to the bottom line but also to the top line. If we're a secure company, we can actually say, come to Photobox because we treat your information securely, and that's what it should be because we're here to secure your magic moments. And again, the culture goes back to us all working together and security being part of everybody's job as opposed to security being something that's done by a function that sits on the corner of the top floor. The journey has only started, and people are starting to learn more and more about what we do, why we do it, how they fit in, and where the gaps are. And I would say that GDPR again has been an enabler in bringing to light a lot of issues that just haven't been thought about previously because a lot of people thought that data protection doesn't apply to them because they weren't regulated necessarily, and that's just enabled us to go out and be able to have those constructive conversations with our peers in the tech teams basically.